good morning. Thanks for streaming with us, and we appreciate you again streaming with us, and hopefully having a great day out there. Let me make sure my mic is on. Yes, everything looks good. It's not quite set where I want it to be. You know what? Maybe I'll do something like that. Yeah, maybe, or maybe I'll just get right here. I don't know. We'll just be comfortable. I'm in between kind of shows. Anyway, that's why I'm wearing this shirt. But anyway, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're doing good. I'm not really sure where I was going with that. But anyway, all right, let's take a look at the weather and what is going on. Here's my box. All right, outside we've got some high-level clouds streaming across. I'm expecting for these high clouds to thin out as we head through the rest of this morning and into the afternoon. There are a few showers down to the south, but they won't be affecting us. And weather is going to be very similar over the next couple of days. Lows in low 60s, high temperatures in the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. Low this morning was right around 69. Normal for this time of the year, 64, a little bit above average. We're now at 80, and you can see those high, thin clouds there. Record low this time of the year in the 40s, 45. Record low set back in 1975. Let's take a look at the radar. We do have some of those clouds. You can see them kind of streaming across here. We've got a few showers that have developed down to the south in southern Atascosa County. Also, in northeast of Cotulla, we've got a few showers there, and those are pushing down to the south. Let me put this into motion, and you can see the shower activity. We don't have to worry about that here in Bexar County, but some of the counties down to the south, you may have a little bit of a shower here over the next couple of hours as the frontal boundary continues to push down to the south. All right, current temperature, 80 degrees, 70s all through the hill country. Cotulla already at 87, George West 83, so you can definitely just glance and just tell the temperatures are a little cooler further to the north that you go. We're going to keep a northerly wind. That's going to keep things rather dry for us and into the hill country, and with these dry conditions, temperatures will warm up. As soon as these clouds continue to thin out a little bit, look at the relative humidity values, around 26% at 5 p.m., and the next couple of days just about the same, 21% on Tuesday, and relative humidity Wednesday at about 23%. So what does that mean for us? Well, we'll have a pretty big swing in temperatures. The morning's going to be real comfortable, but the afternoon high temperatures are going to get close to 90. Let's take a look where the frontal boundary is. Stretches from just around New Orleans, just now making its way through New Orleans, through Brownsville, continuing to push southward. Just a few residual showers north of the frontal boundary for some of our southern counties. High pressure is building in. Now this morning, out in Midland, Amarillo, low temperatures this morning were in the 50s, so a little cool there. All right, let me say hi to some folks. Heather, how are you? Yeah, it's kind of a casual Monday, exactly. I didn't think my wardrobe all the way through. Anyway, yeah, I hope you don't mind a little casual here. Marie, hi. I was wondering why you weren't. I know, right? kind of casual. Hopefully nobody's offended by it. And Heather, yes, we are going to have lower humidity values. It's going to feel like Roma says, kind of California-like, kind of, over the next several days. And if you're wondering, yeah, Roma, you know, we do a great day together. Maribel, hi, how are you doing? Good morning. And Mike, good morning. It's been dry since, yes. You know, we had a real big downpour on Friday and the weekend. I'm glad you brought that up, Mike. The weekend was a little tricky. Hill country Saturday had some real heavy downpours. We missed out on Saturday, and then Sunday was just really nice. So I don't think anybody's going to complain that we were able to salvage the weekend. That's great. Okay, let me switch gears real quick. We're going to go out to the tropics. We've got this weak disturbance that's north of the Bahamas that may affect the United States, won't be affecting us here in the Gulf of Mexico. There's a 20% chance of development. And Sam is way up here in the northern Atlantic, going to become extra tropical here in the next 24, 36 hours, but it's Category 2 hurricane. Of course, we don't have to worry about that one. And poor Victor, this was the last place that Victor was. The remnants have been sheared completely apart. He just ripped all apart there, poor Victor. And then here in the Gulf of Mexico, there is nothing going on. Matter of fact, anytime in the Gulf, when you see that kind of a watch this. Oh, no. Okay. Whenever you see the clouds kind of moving across like that from west to east in the Gulf, forget about any kind of tropical development. Matter of fact, I mean, I always say this, once we get to October, it's very hard for anything tropically to affect us here in south central Texas. And for all intents and purposes, I think hurricane season is pretty much over for us here in South Texas. Now, it keeps going on until November 30th. For the rest of the Gulf of Mexico and Florida, yeah, but I think we're pretty much done here in South Texas, anything affecting us. High temperature this afternoon, close to 90. Low temperatures, lower 60s. Highs in the upper 80s again tomorrow, and Wednesday, very similar. Weather is going to be very similar each and every day. I don't think anybody's going to complain about that at all. So let's go to the 7-day. And by the way, I did all the facts and figures this morning, and this is what I came up with. Temperatures are going to be very close to the same each and every day. In the mornings, you're going to love it. Tuesday, Wednesday, lows in the low 60s. High temperatures close to 90, lots of sunshine, mostly sunny skies. On Thursday, lots of sun, high close to 90. Friday, Saturday, highs in the low 90s, which is well above average for this time of the year. This time of the year, we should be in the mid 80s, but it's going to be kind of summer-like over the next several days. Next chance for rain will be on Sunday, but right now I'm leaving it out of the forecast because we're going to have a really strong cap. But I think Sunday night maybe, and that's a big maybe. But I'll keep an eye on Sunday so you don't have to. All right, this is something new that I'm kind of doing. Beyond the 7-day, rest of October, this is the way it looks to me. Now, it's a long way out. Forecast could change a little bit, but this is the way it looks to me. No strong cold fronts. I know you cold weather fans, you may have to wait a little while. I just don't see another strong cold front coming through for the rest of the month. Temperatures should stay above normal most days. Precipitation below normal. Looks like we're going to be on the low side of things here in October. And no tropical activity. So that's just kind of some of the things I'm watching. Real quick, we'll say hi to some more folks here. Hey, Janet, you like the casual look? Thank you. I appreciate it. Now I just hope my boss appreciates the casual look. All right, you got it, Heather. Again, thanks for logging on. And Gail, thanks. I appreciate it. I really do. And Maribel, are we getting colder weather? I answered that question. I just don't think so. I mean, the morning's going to be very pleasant, lower 60s. For the rest of the month, you know, we could have some mornings that are in the 50s, but I don't see a strong cold front, the one that we're all wanting, right? We probably will have to wait until November. At least that's the way it looks to me. And Marie, hope it doesn't rain on Halloween night. You and me both like Halloween, like all the trick-or-treaters. We have had some rotten Halloween nights, but hopefully this one will be a good one. And right now, it kind of looks that way, but that's a long way out. What are we at? October the 4th. That's almost a month away. So anyway, hopefully it's going to be good. All right. Again, thanks so much for streaming with us. We really do appreciate it. And make sure and watch us at noon, 4, 5, 6, and 10. And I'll be back tomorrow morning. All right. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you later.